Selamat datang di dapur Suhanah. Hari ini saya mau masak udang masak mentega. Dan ini bahan udang harusnya 1 kilo ini, tapi 500 saja bilang ya.
Ini 500?
Kan 1 kilo nih.
Oh, 1 kilo, oke. Okay. 1 kilo udang.
Ya, ini daun pre.
Okay, that's lemongrass.
2 buah bawang merah, bawang putih. Ini apa namanya? Bombay.
Okay, so
bawang putih.
2 onions, garlic.
Mentega.
Okay, there's butter.
Ini penyedap seperti masako.
Okay, that's MSG.
Merica bubuk yang putih.
Okay, that's white pepper.
Penyedap.
Apa?
Penyedap biasa.
I thought that's penyedap.
Ini kan masako.
Oh, okay, that's masako.
Penyedap.
That's penyedap.
Ini saus tomat.
Okay, tomato sauce.
Saus pedas.
Okay, chili sauce.
Kokiman.
Okay, that's kokiman, the soy sauce.
Kecap Inggris.
And that's ketchup English?
Iya.
Okay, whatever ketchup English is, I'll look it up.
Sekarang kita mulai potong-potong bawang bombay.
Okay, first you're going to cut up the onions. And she's peeled them already.
Mentega, udang goreng mentega, saus mentega, udang saus mentega.
Okay, so this is fried shrimp in butter sauce. And you see she's crushing the garlic there.
Bawang putih secukupnya aja.
Okay, you can use as much garlic as you like.
Secukupnya.
We use a lot of garlic.
Daun bawang pre.
Okay, it's lemongrass.
Daun pre secukupnya. Ini taruh. Ini juga secukupnya sekarang.
Okay, there's enough there.
Oh ya, udangnya sudah dipotong seperti ini. Sudah seperti ini ya, potong. Ya.
Okay, so
ini semua sudah nih semua. Supaya sausnya ada rasa dalam.
She's cutting the shrimp there, the prawns, so that the sauce gets inside.
Masak udang cepat, nggak ada lama.
Yes, this is fast because udang is quick, which is one of my favorite things that I used to cook.
Di Amerika, di sini murah, 120 murah di sini.
So this is
di Amerika berapa mahal?
This is 125,000 rupees, which is current exchange rates about $9.
Di Amerika ada $1.
She said.
Nah, minyak ini secukupnya.
It's expensive and more expensive in America. I don't know if you know what the cost of prawns are like this in the States or Australia or Sweden or wherever you're watching. Leave a comment.
Minyak secukupnya.
Okay, so she put in just enough oil and she's putting in the mentega.
Secukupnya mentega karena mau digoreng dulu.
Okay, so she's not putting all of it in. She's putting just that much in there.
Sekarang saya goreng semua.
Okay, it's time to fry up the prawns. Oh, okay, that smells good already.
1 kilo.
So a viewer mentioned, I think in the last video, we should show us eating after we do this. Both of us are kind of camera shy, but we'll try it today.
Nah, sekarang saya turunkan ini.
Okay, so now she's going to take the shrimp out, and that's what it looks like and smells good.
Ini kan sudah masak setengah ya.
Okay, so she said it's half cooked. Masak setengah ya?
Ya, istilahnya sudah
Okay.
masak. Karena pakai saus kan supaya enggak terlalu masak, enggak bagus.
Okay, so she said you don't cook it all the way because the sauce is has to get into the shrimp, and so you don't want to overcook the shrimp.
Ini kan sudah masak. Sekarang
Okay.
buat sausnya.
Okay, now it's time for the sauce, and get that down there, right?
Kasih minyak lagi. Tadi kan pakai digoreng.
Yeah.
Yang kasih minyak sama itu mentega. Nah, sekarang ini sudah panas. Jangan lupa mentega.
Okay, so
Secukupnya.
put enough butter in there again.
Soalnya biar banyak gitu.
She's cutting up the rest of the lemongrass.
Tuang ini.
Okay, all this goes in.
Enak baunya ya?
Yeah, it smells good. It does smell good. Okay, this has to cook a minute.
Nah, sekarang ini taruh
Okay,
udangnya.
shrimp goes back in. And now we're putting in the spices. Yes,
Merica. Penyedap.
okay, MSG. The pepper's in. The Masako's in. Okay, that's the soy sauce.
Saus Inggris.
That's whatever the English sauce is.
Supaya rasanya agak pedas sedikit.
And so it tastes a little
Sauce
spicy.
tomat.
Okay, and tomato sauce. All that is in.
Enak baunya ya.
Mm-hmm. Okay, smells good.
Cepat, tidak ada 1 jam.
Let's do a full minute.
Enak sekali.
Okay, so it's good.
Pas semuanya, rasanya pas. Kalau mau hidangkan, mau pakai nasi boleh. Mau udangnya aja dimakan boleh.
Okay, you can eat this shrimp if you want. Better with rice. You can have it with noodles too. I like it with noodles.
Nah, sudah selesai.
Okay, and it's finished.
Sekarang sudah selesai. Saya masak udang saus mentega. Sekarang udangnya saya taruh di tempat biasa.
Okay. And so she said she finished cooking and it goes on the plate.
Kalau di restoran nih mahal kali ya. Kalau di restoran mahal udangnya.
Yeah, she said if it's in a restaurant. I don't know. I haven't had this in a restaurant in a while.
Kalau orang kawin pakai resepsi,
Oh.
hidangan ini juga enak.
Oh, this is good for wedding receptions.
Ya, sekarang sudah selesai buat udang saus mentega. Dan jangan lupa minggu depan masakan lain. Dan jangan lupa juga di-like. Terima kasih banyak sudah melihat acara masak dapur Suhanah. Bye. Like. Sampai jumpa minggu depan masakan yang lain.
See you next week with a new recipe. Thank you.
Terima kasih banyak. Enak ya? Harusnya enak ya.
Okay, this is really good.
Enak ya? Saus mentega. Semuanya rasa ya, pas.
Yeah.
Nggak ada ini.
Apa?
Bumbunya pas semuanya enak. Sedap.
And this is not very spicy.
Nggak begitu pedas.
You got the taste of butter and soy sauce a little.
Good.